high-tech deck is truly a superior product. I don't think there's a better one in the industry. Hi, I'm Captain Archie Jost. I fished on Swords, Life on the Line on Discovery Channel. You name it, I've caught it. High-tech deck is out here today installing the whole new deck in the boat. It's a 37 Nuwave. Can't wait to really see it totally finished.
Let's take a look and see how this thing came out.
Boy, it really looks awesome. Oh wow, look at this, beautiful.
This is what you saw when we sent it.
Yeah.
We put the midnight sun.
Started looking on the website and I was looking at reviews and I was looking at different companies. I really liked this product.
It's unbelievable. It's a fishing machine.
Look how nice this looks. Midnight sun.
Well, what do we talk, Archie? We talk
Monday. And you said, I'll have him there to measure it tomorrow. And then when he came here, you looked at the boat, you called my son. Next thing you know, the whole boat's being done.
and now it's Friday.
Now it's Friday and it's done.
Crazy, you guys are unbelievable. Unbelievable.
4 days, baby, 4 days, rock and roll.
It's so soft on your feet.
Peak lines, you see how nice and straight everything is? Everything's all in line.
Because every one of those is perfect, lined up.
Perfect.
It makes sense.
Because it's all done on computers.
It's all done, it's high tech. Really high tech, yeah.
It really makes the boat look like $1 million.
It does. The high tech decking is something that you want to be on the boat more. It looks nice, cleans up nice, but the feeling of it, and the durability and the non-slipping, that's all important to me. I got the quote, next thing you know, we said go ahead, and next thing you know, it's finished. Unbelievable service. People calling me all the time that want to come and see it.